How to change a language on Trello. So let's get started. First step, click on your profile picture. Then go and find settings. Next, you can see change language. It will direct you to this website. And here you can choose from languages. I'm going to show you one more time how to do it. So when you are on your home page, simply find your profile picture in the corner, your account, click on settings, then change language. You will end up on this page, and here you can choose from languages. Just choose your language. You just need to wait a few seconds for this confirmation, and that's it. This is how can you change language on Trello. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment or like, and if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you later.